Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is August the 21st on a Monday, and taking a look at the markets, we had a nice little gap up in the SPY. Boy, but it's really trying to fill that gap in the pre-market here. There is some strength out there. Let's take a look. I'm not seeing as many setups just because of the volatility in the market, but there are a few that definitely jumping out. So let's dive in. All right, the first of my, I think you got to watch. I mean, oil has been holding up well. I don't particularly trade oil very well. It's kind of like the gold stocks, the same way. But this COP has really been elevating up here, as levitating, let's call it. So maybe if a break above this 118.20 level and that COP, just set your price alert, and there you have it. Let's see, TNGX. TNGX is one that had a huge move couple of days after earnings. I'm not sure what this news was, but anyway, what I'm liking is explosive move, holding up most of its gains and kind of going sideways. Watch this 10-period moving average sneaking up underneath it. This could be the springboard that shoots this thing higher. Just set your alert maybe around 750 on that thing and set it and forget it. Wait for it to come through. Tesla, one thing I'm liking about Tesla, now I actually bought this on Friday. If you go back, you're going to see this is a huge pivot level. I'm not going to scroll all the way back, but we have a huge pivot level here, and we had a spinning top, and now we're seeing a gap up above that pivot level. So I'm liking Tesla for a bounce. Once again, takes out Friday's lows. I am out. And last one on the is TK. We're going to throw it up there real quick. And this one is beaten up over the lifetime chart, if you look at that, but been holding up well lately. And now we're getting a gap up of several month high there in TK. So watch that one. All right, guys, have a great day. I'll talk to you tomorrow with some more ideas.